Meow. Kitty sitting pretty. This is a fun one. Just getting my general shapes in here. Doing a voiceover, and I've got my video on double speed. Just getting those general body shapes in. And feeling it out as I go. Just trusting my gut. I don't do a lot of measuring except with my intuition, I guess. My gut feeling. If it feels right, then it's good. If it doesn't, then I fix it. It's a little bit of a difficult perspective on the kitty's face. Get some lines in there to help me place the eyes. Just going around the contour of Kitty's head. It's a really important thing to remember. I didn't get quite the same head tilt here, but that's okay. I'm not going at it to copy the photograph. I'm just using the photograph for inspiration. We've got a cat drawing art workshop Facebook group, and we'd be happy to have you join if you love drawing cats. So you'll find the link to that Facebook group in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links too. Feel out where that nose goes. I thought I had to move the line up, but I was wrong. I was right the first time. And just some nice ovals for the paws. And I ended up making the paws a little bit too small here because they are forward. They should be bigger. But you'll see me fix that later on in the video. There's always something to be fixed. And don't expect perfection. Just express yourself and your love for cats through your drawing. And practice makes perfect, even though there's no such thing as perfection in the arts. I still use that saying anyhow. Oh, it starts to come to life when I add some pupils in there. And now I'm at 4 times the speed. Just finishing things up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss a video. And we would love to have you help us build our crazy cat artist community. Just mucked around with those arms and elbows and stuff there. Got to make them feel comfortable, look comfortable. Yeah, I was mucking around a lot with the paws here because I knew something. I'm losing my voice, sorry. I knew something didn't feel right, and then it took me a while later to realize the paws were just way too small. Just some suggestions of tabby stripes there, because the back end and the legs kind of fade away into the background. They're not really part of the focal point. Some whiskers. Okay, here's where I decided I needed to fix the paws. They need to be quite a bit bigger, and I guess I decided that they were about as wide across as it is from the outside of eye to outside of eye. So I fixed them up, made them look a little bigger, and I really like it better now. And it's just a sketch, it's learning. All the things you learn in these lovely sketches you carry forward, and that's what makes you a more experienced artist. I hate to say a better artist because all artists are awesome. I don't believe any are better than the others. We're all in a different place, that's all. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.